Susubok ko na dito sa ano. Wala, makahuli kami ng ano. Tilapiyang mapingping. Saka mablak-blak.
The village folks were kind and sweet. Sometimes he shared his little
Dalawa kami ni
treat.
Tenggot.
Like the fish he couldn't eat. One day
Kaya, update ko kayo pag nandun na kami sa spot.
suddenly it was all the craze. It hit
A few moments later.
stop wrecking our spot. The fisherman shout, he's in it for
Huli,
cash.
first
The whisper spread
catch
out.
ni Eldin.
The merchants complain. Hey, your
Ang laki, oh.
taxes city hall plain.
Mamaw.
Good days are far
Quality.
behind.
Silbi mo na rin sa ako. Baka makapalag pa. Ano mga kamay.
In the village way back in time,
Ayan, lagay mo
an
sa
old
buhay.
man grew pumpkin so fine.
First catch. Gandang size. Mamaw agad. Mamink-mink pa, oh.
Farmers waved hello as he worked in the early glow. The village folks were kind and sweet. Sometimes he shared his pumpkin treat.
A few moments later.
One day a traveler bought a share.
Ano naman
Suddenly,
yan?
the
Mablak-blak.
craze. As soon as they hit the
Tangina,
market
mapingping.
place, too many pies. The merchants complain. He's hogging the fame. The whispers remain. Cut us a slice. The bakers all
Oh.
plead. Pay your dues, says the tax decree. Now good days are far behind.
Mablak-blak siya mga idol.
Sad.
Mablak-blak.
Was a crow pumpkins.
Yan. Sige na kami ni huli. Saan kinakagat ko.
When money's in play, things start to change. Can't go back, it all feels strange. When money's in play, the world spins fast. Those simple days, they didn't last. Don't wreck our market, somebody shouts. He's making a fortune, somebody doubts. Give us our share, somebody cries. Pay your taxes, City Hall replies. Don't wreck our market, somebody shouts. He's making a fortune, somebody doubts. Give us our share, somebody cries. Pay your taxes, City Hall replies.
Pag yan nawala.
The
Sigurado.
old man is sad. All he wanted was to fish at dawn.
Lakas ang alon dito mga idol. Oh.
Kami sa Bora.
Yan mga idol. Malapit na siya.
Bora. Boratan.
Pink-pink at saka mablak-blak ang huli. Parehas na, parehas. Parehas ng size.
The old man is sad. All he wanted was to fish at dawn.
Ito yung aming huli oh. Yan. May kanduli, may tilapia, may tilapia nenus. Andun. Mula din yung tilapia. Ano yan? 5 finger. Kanduli rin, wala din. Sinigang samiso, sinigang samiso. Uy! Ayun na nga. Oh.
Hapon tsaka kumagat.
Ayun.
Albaser bitter.
Mamingming!
Mamingning.
Kaya talaga, mamingming talaga oh. Time check, 5:30 na. 5:30 na ng hapon, nakadali pa. Si Kaidol, ayun oh.
Galing ah.
Ayan. Mamingming. Pigtas pa. Natawag na buzzer beater.
Ilang hapon tsaka kumakagat ko lang.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin. Meron.
Nagaro talaga sila sa tabi.
Uuwi na kami oh. Ano ito, ang daming huli yung si Idol Tenggot. Yan oh. Uwi na kami. Dito may golf course po sa lawa ng ano, Laguna. Dito sa spot namin pinuntahan. Ito, umiihip eh. Umiihi. Ayan. Pauwi na kami oh. Anong oras? 5:35 na. Nandito pa rin kami oh. Pauwi na Team Kambu. Let's go!